Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm testing TAV on a budget setup. This PC is running a Ryzen Pro 1240G with the 8GB of RAM, and I'm using only the integrated Vega graphics, no graphics card at all. First, I started with a slightly higher resolution and kept 19415 by the graphics size at 1 and set it normal. Then I ran the build in GTAV benchmark test, and honestly, the results were rough. I was getting FPS drops to 1210 and sometimes even 8 FPS, and after a few scenes, the average FPS dropped to around 30 to 35. After that, I jumped into actual gameplay, and yeah, it was really laggy. The FPS stayed around 13 and it was pretty much unplayable.
You still owe me a drink.
So I decided to lower the resolution to 180 by 720, and difference was big. The game suddenly felt smoother and the FPS improved by around 5 to 10 frames, which made it much more playable and enjoyable. So yeah, GTAV on a 24G with 8GB RAM in 2025. I stick to 7ton to PAPE and tweak the settings for smoother gameplay. Now I'll show you some real-time gameplay so you can see how it performs. Let's get into it.